In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept ACH payments with Stripe. This guide will help you easily enable ACH payments within your Stripe account, making it simpler to handle direct bank transactions efficiently. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Stripe's website by typing stripe.com. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the Sign In button. You'll be prompted to enter your login details. Go ahead and enter the email address and password associated with your Stripe account, then click Sign In to access your dashboard. After logging in, you'll land on the Stripe dashboard homepage. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't used it recently. From here, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Settings. This section contains various configuration options for your account, but today we'll focus on payment settings. Within the Settings page, find the section labeled Payments under Product Settings and click on it. Inside the Payments section, you'll see an option called Payment Methods. Clicking this will display a list of payment methods supported by Stripe. What we're interested in here is ACH Direct Debit, which allows customers to pay directly from their bank accounts. Scroll down the list of payment methods until you find ACH Direct Debit. Take your time if needed, as the list can be fairly long. Once you locate ACH Direct Debit, you'll see a toggle or switch next to it. This switch controls whether ACH payments are enabled for your account. Click the toggle to turn it on. Enabling this option allows you to start accepting ACH payments almost immediately. To wrap things up, you've just completed an important step toward expanding your payment options with Stripe. By enabling ACH payments, you're giving customers a convenient way to pay directly from their bank accounts, which can help streamline transactions and potentially reduce processing fees. And that's it. You've successfully enabled ACH payments on your Stripe account. Be sure to explore other Stripe features and settings to get the most out of your payment processing setup. Thanks for following along, and happy processing!